Guess what's in the bag? Today is a good day. Guess what's in the box? The new 2018 Spring and Summer Collection PVC bag. It's just as perfect as I expect it to be. And the size is perfect. It's not too small, not too big. You keep its shape pretty good. There are two group of people. One is like, it is a plastic bag. Another is like, oh my god. I'll show you what's inside. The color mainly is green, blue, and pink. To me, it's worth collection. It's just so 2018. You know, pastel color is still trendy, and this year everything is about see-through PVCs, see-through boots or jacket, you know, and so that's part of the reason. And they're just cute, keep it shape well. If you like something, you can always find a reason to buy, right? Especially when it comes to bag and makeup. Let me show you what's inside. Excuse my OCD, I need to match the color. My clutch, my wallet is huge. It's pretty big, fit is perfectly. And then, you know, it's summer, so sunscreen is a must. Sunscreen mist is a must. Or if you dehydrate, just spray some on. It's so convenient. Another great thing about this bag is it's such a personality shower, you know, because the bag is so see-through, people can see what lipstick brand you're using. It's such a good conversation starter too. And the cute is that on the back they have another bag, so RMM signature set. Last but not least, the Givenchy new lipstick. Oh my god. So thanks to influencer. So this morning I got an email saying they're gonna send me these. So I checked the tracking, it hadn't shown up yet. Basically means that they're still processing it. But today when I came home, I saw a box and I was like, doesn't have name or anything on it, and it has this in it. So that's a pretty nice surprise. They have different sizes, but I like the mini size because this is big enough for me. It's just perfect size. Especially, you know, you can use this two-way. You can either use as crossbody or just use it as a shoulder bag. You know, crossbody for mommies, oh yeah, that's a must. I definitely recommend this bag. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and check out my website